Hi, my name is Van der Dielemans and I work as a global product manager in Husqvarna Construction. And it's with extreme pride that today we are presenting a brand new scarifying range. It's a range designed with the whole rental cycle in mind. So it's consisting of two machines, a 9-inch variant, simple, reliable for most common applications, and an 11-inch variant, which very uniquely can be functioning as both a scarifying and a shaver, maximizing utilization. So when I say designed with the whole rental cycle in mind, I do mean between rent-outs and during rent-outs. Between rent-outs, we will have IP55 water decontamination, so you can clean the machine with water. We have a very fast, simple tool change, and it is a very minimum amount of maintenance required. During the transportation to the job site, you will have strap-down points, specific lifting points, and very unique for a scarifier, a foldable frame. And for the variant behind me, it's using a brand new technology, an IE4 permanent magnet motor, giving very high power output. All the different variants that you can see behind me do have many common parts and many common tooling. So it's very easy for you as a rental company to have many different variants, serving many different customer needs, but have a very easy inventory management with all the same parts and consumables. All the machines have very simple controls, they're very intuitive. It will have a load indicator and also it will have, for safe operation, a hold to run switch and high efficiency dust extraction. And last but not least, the machines are very durable. They are made with reliability in mind with very heavy duty components on them.